Hello and a huge congratulations. If you're here, that means you've done it. You've made it through the entire tutorial. You've put in the work, and honestly, that's a massive achievement.
You really have gone on a journey, right? From the absolute basics all the way to some pretty advanced strategic stuff. You've armed yourself with what is, no joke, one of the most powerful skills in marketing today.
So, before you jump back into your day-to-day and start putting all this to work, let's just take a few minutes to look back at the key skills you've built. Think of it as the highlight reel of your brand new expertise. We started right where we needed to, building a solid, secure foundation. Remember back in chapters 1 and 2, we covered not just what prompt engineering is, but why doing it safely is completely non-negotiable for any marketing team. You learned the golden rule that underpins everything else. The quality of the AI's output is a direct mirror of your input. You learned how to go from just asking simple questions to crafting really precise instructions, and that's the key that unlocks the AI's true potential. And you saw exactly why this matters so much. Getting good at this gives your department a huge competitive edge. You learned how to boost your speed, lock in brand consistency, scale up content like never before, and just plain innovate faster than anyone still fumbling with generic AI. This right here, this slide really crystallizes one of the most important habits you developed: sanitization. You learned how to protect your company's most valuable stuff, customer data, intellectual property, by turning risky, specific prompts into safe, general ones that still get fantastic results. It's all about that balance. And to make security second nature, you mastered the simple but super powerful 5-step framework. You learned to run through this mental checklist before hitting enter on any prompt, making it your first line of defense against accidentally leaking sensitive info. Okay, so with that secure foundation locked in, you move from theory to practice. Chapters 3, 4, and 9 were all about taking those skills and using them to create the actual stuff that drives marketing, compelling content for all your channels. You started by mastering the 4 essential parts of any great prompt, by learning to clearly define the task, give it context, set some constraints, and show it a few examples. You basically left vague, unhelpful requests in the dust and started giving the AI a perfect blueprint for success. You saw how to put that all together to create really detailed and effective prompts for big pieces like blog posts. A prompt like this isn't just a request. It's a complete creative brief that makes sure the AI delivers a structured, useful first draft that's already aligned with your strategy. You also got really good at tailoring your prompts for different platforms, becoming a kind of platform-native prompter. This prompt for a Twitter thread is a perfect example. It shows how you learn to think in hooks, in tweet-sized ideas, and in platform-specific rules. That's a huge step up from generic prompting. And then, things really leveled up. In chapters 5 through 8, you moved past creating individual pieces of content and learned how to use AI as a strategic partner for high-level planning, campaign development, and even analyzing performance. You started getting way more sophisticated results by mastering techniques like role assignment. You learned that just telling the AI who to be, like a senior content strategist or a conversion expert, is an incredible shortcut to getting an expert-level tone and much deeper insight. And then you picked up one of the most powerful, advanced skills there is: chain of thought prompting. This is where you learn to ask the AI not just for the answer, but for the thinking it used to get there. For any kind of strategic work, this is an absolute game changer. This prompt shows that technique in action perfectly. By forcing the AI to show its work, you turned it from a mysterious black box into a true thought partner. Now you can actually evaluate, challenge, and improve its strategic ideas, because you understand the logic behind them. You brought it all together by learning how to structure really complex strategic requests, like brainstorming a whole campaign. By clearly defining the goal, the audience, the channels, and the constraints, you learned how to turn the AI into an incredibly efficient brainstorming machine for generating creative, on-strategy campaign ideas. So, the big question: where do you go from here? You've got the skills, and now it's time to put them into practice. This last part of our recap is all about the crucial next step: implementing everything you've learned inside your own organization. And that brings us to our final piece of guidance, which is so important for taking these skills from this tutorial and applying them to your team in a way that's both responsible and really effective. So please keep this in mind.
This tutorial from Virtualization Options LLC offers general guidance that's meant for a typical organization. But of course, every single organization is unique and really requires training that's tailored to its specific needs. This specialized training is what addresses the tools and processes that can really help reduce risks and hit those productivity goals within your specific environment. You should also note that the guidance we've provided here may not be applicable to your specific situation, and it's offered without any warranty, either expressed or implied. It's for this exact reason that we develop customized training programs, which we build after collaborating really closely with an organization to figure out its unique needs and priorities. So if you're ready to take that next step and create a program that's built specifically for your team, here's how to do it. For information on creating an organization-specific training program, just contact Bob Slovic, the Chief Technologist at Virtualization Options LLC, by email. Congratulations again on completing this incredible journey. You're ready for the future of marketing.